Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. Now as you may already know, I like to work on cars and I like to check out products that make life a little easier when I'm in a car. Today we're going to be checking out this magnetic phone holder. It'll let you mount your phone in your car, it'll let you just use whatever apps you already have on your phone, however you like to use it, and you can even use it outside of your car, maybe in your garage, on your desk, or wherever you can think of. So already we've got a nice metal construction. It is a MagSafe style mount, so behind this carbon fiber effect ring is a magnet. And on this side, we have a suction cup, which is also the tacky type. We've got a metal ring here to activate the suction, and a little pull tab to remove it. We also have the arm that flips up, and it'll angle all the way up. And this will also rotate on the base. So, got a MagSafe case on my phone, and we've got a really nice solid connection here. And you can also mount it sideways. So if you're in your car, if you're connected via Bluetooth, you can just have your phone mounted, have your display here, easily reachable on your dash. Or you can have your maps up. Now in the box, we also get a user manual, which shows you how to set it up. But you also get 2 magnetic rings if your phone doesn't have MagSafe or a MagSafe case. So that's really nice. And there's a couple wipes for when you install these. Now let's, I guess, test this out on the table. Just pop it on, turn. Yeah, it's on there, huh? So I can almost pick up the table. It's not going anywhere. Then you can angle it, rotate it. Very nice. And when you're done, you just rotate the knob, pull this up, you're good. And if you're moving it around, maybe keep the backing so you're good to go. Now let's go test this out in the car and see it in action. All right, so we're in my Range Rover right now that I rebuilt on the channel. And let's get our phone mount here and reinstall it. So peel that off. I'm gonna put my phone right here. I'm gonna pop it on the dash, tighten that up, and it's locked in. Nice and secure. Phone on here. It's connected via Bluetooth. I can angle this. So that's nice and accessible. Out of the way, I can angle it, raise it up. Can rotate it towards me, away from me. It's very convenient, very nice. Now let's say you're navigating somewhere, you want to use this as like a GPS. Just have it right here. You can just find whatever you want. It's accessible, nice and visible. And if you want to run a charger, you can just bring it up, plug it in, and you can keep going. So if you're like a rideshare driver, you can put your apps up on here. Maybe you can get a second one. Do that. I actually have to run some errands today, and this is going to be perfect. I'm going to be using that. Now, what you can also do if you want, if you don't want to mount it on your dash, you see no residue. Now another option is to mount it on your windshield if you want to do that. So something else you can do is have it face you, turn on the camera, and vlog. Now obviously you want to do this safely because, you know, if you're driving on the road, you want to be paying attention to the road, so keep that in mind. But it does work really well for that. And if you flip the camera around, you could even use it as a dash cam to record a drive. And it gives you a lot of flexibility, so you could potentially even mount it on your door or your window to film your dash so you could see. Just show that if you wanted. It gives you a lot of flexibility if you make videos. So that is something I think I might use it for because it is very convenient. So those are a couple of things I might use this for in the future. I really like the idea of having it as a place to mount a camera, so that'll be really nice. So yeah, going over some rough road, it is super solid, which is very nice. Actually, I think this suction cup, the knob to activate the suction cup, is a very nice touch and seems to work really well. All right, so rock solid. I'm impressed. This is very nice. I think that means that if I want to use it to hold a phone for navigation, it'll always hold in place. Or if I want to film something, which is what I'm likely to do, it's also great. And easy to remove your phone, easy to release, compact. You just pop it in your pocket, in your bag, and take it with you. Very nice. I'll definitely be using this some more. And you can also put it in other places to have a really convenient phone mount. When I tested it to film my driving, it worked out really well. It was nice and stable. And for a different type of driving, it was a really good place to mount my phone to control my music. So that's the Beegrow Vacuum MagSafe Phone Holder. It's a really convenient way to mount your phone in your car, nice and temporary, but also super secure. And it gives you a lot of flexibility for where you can mount it, so it should work in any car. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the video description when it's available. And I want to say a big thank you to Beegrow for sending me this to review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, or you want to watch me work on cars, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.